Are you tired of jumping from one strategy to another without seeing results? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I will show you how to trade trend lines trading strategy like a pro. You will learn how to use trend line trading strategy to find high probability A+ setups in the market, and also how to draw trend lines properly in the market. I've seen a lot of beginner traders online asking these same questions. What are the proper ways to draw trend lines? The actual fact is there are no specific ways to establish trend lines in the market. The most important thing is make sure you establish or draw your trend line in a way it will have multiple touches. If you are at the point of giving up or you are still struggling to make consistent profit in the market, don't worry, this is the best video that will provide solution to your trading problem. If that sounds good, let's dive into the charts. What are trend lines? Trend lines are lines we use to connect points together. That is, to connect one swing low to another swing low, or one swing high to another swing high. And it also serves as support and resistance. When the price action is trending up, trend line serves as support, and when the price action is trending down, trend lines also serves as resistance in the market. The best time to use this trend line trading strategy is when the price action is trending. As you all know, there are three phases of price action in the market. Number one, when the price action is giving us a bullish phase to the upper side, and when the price action is also giving us a bearish phase to the downside. These are the most favorable market conditions where you can apply trend line trading strategy. If you look at the chart of USD CHF right now, you can see that the price action created a consistent swing high, another swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, then back to another swing higher low. You can see a consistent higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low in the market. So this is a very good example of market condition where you can use trend line trading strategy. And how to establish your trend line using a proper approach. The best way is to draw your trend line by connecting the points together. Draw your trend line in such a way it will have multiple touches in the market. I want to connect the trend line from this point then to this point. Then after connecting these 2 points, I'm going to double click on the trend line. Then I'll click on the style tab, come to the extend option, then click on this option here to bring out a drop down menu that consists of extend left, then extend right line, then click OK. You're going to see the extension of the trend lines. You can see I have multiple touches around this zone here. First touch, second touch, third touch, then another touch. So the most important thing is draw your trend line in such a way it will have multiple touches in the market. Let me show you how to use this trend line trading strategy during the bearish market condition. If you look at the chart right now, the price action created a swing high here to give us a swing low, then a swing high, then back to a swing low. The price action changed the structure back to bearish as a result of this structure invalidation around this zone. The price action once upon a time invalidated this structure. This peak was serving as higher low during this bullish market condition. This was the last higher low here, but the sellers took charge of the market at this resistance zone and they invalidated the structure to the downside, and that gave us a solid market shift to the downside. So we have swing low, swing high, then the swing low. The next step is how to draw this trend line during a market condition like this. Like I said at the beginning of this video, ensure to draw your trend line in such a way to have multiple touches in the market. I will connect this my trend line from this point here, then connect it to the next point, right? Then I'm going to double click on it, click on this option here to bring out the extend left, then to the extend right option. Then this is the extension of the trend lines. You can see that we have points A around this zone here, then to point B, then to another point C. If there is any specific challenge you are facing in your trading journey, do not hesitate to comment below this video and we'll make sure to cover it in the future content. And if this video is adding value to you, please do not hesitate to like, subscribe and support this channel. Doing this helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend our videos to more struggling beginner forex traders. Let's dive into the next session of this trendline trading strategy. In this session, I'm going to show you how to use this trendline trading strategy to execute high probability setups in the market. Looking at the chart right now, buyers are the one in charge of the market as a result of this structure: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, equal low. Then we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we have higher high. The next step is to establish my trend line in such a way it will have multiple touches in the market, right? I have point 1, point 2, point 3, then point 4. The next step is to exercise a lot of patience and wait for price action to mitigate this trend line again to give us another touch so that we can execute to the upper side. Looking at the price action right now, price is about to give us a proper retracement to the downside as a result of these resistance here. Price action created this resistance, then sellers push the price to the downside. You just have to wait for price to mitigate the trend line. Without mitigation, no execution. And as you can see, when the price action mitigate the trend line again, there was a sharp rejection, right? And price closed with this hammer, and hammer represents bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Let's get down to 1 hour time frame for execution. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the structure is bearish. Sellers are the one in charge of the market on 1 hour time frame as a result of this structure to the downside. What you need to do is to exercise a lot of patience and wait for 1 hour time frame to give 1 hour time frame to form bullish structure, because the higher time frame is bullish. So we have to exercise a lot of patience and wait for price action to give us change of structure to the upper side. If a bullish candlestick can close above this structure to the upper side, it's going to establish our entry confirmation, right? So let's keep on playing the candlesticks and see if the price action we close above it. And if the price did not close above this structure, no entry. No entry. You just have to learn how to wait until you see this break to the upper side. So a strong bullish candlestick is here to close above the structure. We still have to exercise a lot of patience until we see this change of structure to the upper side. Let's keep on playing the candlestick. Finally, we have a solid and healthy breakout that closed above the structure to the upper side. Then this place is going to be our entry point. Then we're going to put our stop loss below this weak rejection around this zone here. Then we're going to target the next resistance zone. Let's play the candlestick and see what the price action will offer us on this trade. Finally, the price smashed our TP zone. All right, that is the end of today's video. If the value we shared in this video has blessed you in one way or the other, we would truly appreciate your support. The best way to do that is by simply clicking the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can recommend our videos to more beginner and struggling traders out there. And if you're interested to be part of our community on Telegram, where we give out consistent and profitable weekly signals and market outlook, click the link below this video description to join now, and I will see you next time.